Ready for the robots to take over the world? Don't feel like pushing a vacuum? Today we are testing out the WYZE robot vacuum. Will it suck like the other vacuum? Only one way to tell. Let's try it. The WYZE robot vacuum comes with a charger, 2 filters, and 2 sweeping brushes. It feels solid and has some weight to it. Once unboxed, we put the sweeper brush on and then plugged in the charger in the wall and put the vacuum in place to charge it. It took only about 3 hours to charge. When it was all set, we downloaded the app and connected it to the vacuum. This process was simple, and the app gave you all the instructions you needed. Speaking of the app, it has many different options and features. One thing to note is the default vacuum setting is set to quiet, which is also the weakest suction setting. Also in the app is the ability to schedule the vacuum times, link it to Alexa, and adjust the map the vacuum creates. After having everything set up, we started vacuuming. The vacuum immediately started mapping the room. We decided to leave all the chairs in place to see how it handled them. It was fun to watch the vacuum map out the house and then see the path it was going on the app. We noticed that the stools we had were a little more than the vacuum could handle, but it seemed to get out of that jam. The vacuum handles the hardwood floors and the transitions to carpet without missing a beat. We decided to see how it did with some goldfish crackers and some sugar in its path. The vacuum set on quiet mode could suck up the goldfish but had trouble with the sugar. Even when putting it on the high suction mode, it still didn't get all the sugar from the carpet. Even dirt by the front door was missed with multiple passes. After the vacuum does its initial house cleaning, it creates a map. This map can be edited to turn different parts into different zones you can selectively clean. Plus, you can tell it what areas of the room you'd like to avoid. The WYZE robot vacuum did make nice carpet lines and did pick up some dirt and debris from the carpet, but it didn't get deep down. This vacuum has a lot of great options. It's just missing the main ingredient, suction. So the results. The positives. It's got great features. It comes with extra accessories, and it's quiet. And the negatives. It doesn't get all of the dirt deep down, and you can't get close to the edges to clean walls or corners. With all the great things that this offers that work, we wanted to like it. But for a vacuum that costs over $200 and the inadequate suction, we'd rate this as an avoid it.